Hey guys, Backyard Scrapping here. We're just going to do a little quick mail call. I actually did a trade with Value Hunter, and I sent him one of my bars, and he sent this stuff. So I don't even know what I'm getting yet. I know it was going to be coins or something of some kind, so we'll check out and see what we got. And he actually did. I told him not to go out of his way and go get some pure silver, and it looks like he did anyway. So I'll have more stuff to melt. But anywho, I think this looks like a little pin. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get into that thing without messing it up. Cool. I love his white tiger. That is awesome. There's a little Value Hunter pin. So we'll put that over here. And let's get the note out and see what we got going on. Says Backyard Scrapping. Thanks, Dino. I appreciate the trade and the giveaway winnings. Can't wait to add your pour to my community collection and hope you enjoy what I sent in return. Is a 1 ounce sterling silver. Oh, okay. It's a 1 ounce sterling silver 925, and I did find a generic bar to add if you want to melt. It is dated, so maybe a keeper, but up to you. The rest is 90% as promised. Enjoy your channel, my friend. Keep it up. Best regards, Value Hunter. Cool. Alrighty, so we've got to put that in our... Actually got a couple letters to go in, cards to go in the safe now. So, we got the Value Hunter White Tiger sticker, which is pretty awesome. I'm actually out of sticker room. I have to figure out something else to do with my stickers. And let's see what he sent us. So we got a $9.99 1992 1 ounce Christmas bar. This is the 1979 Mexico 925 1 troy ounce. And we got some 90%. Walker, 44 Walker. This is the Mexican coin. I didn't show it. I'll have to do some research on that one because I really don't know that much about that coin. It's pretty neat though. 925, 33.625 grams. I'm assuming it's an ounce pure. And then we got that Christmas bar. We got a 62, looks like a D Washington quarter. We got a, looks like a 28 Standing Liberty quarter. 44, I can't see it. 44S Merc. A 43 S Merc. A 34 D Merc. 36S Merc, and a 45D Merc. So that was our trade. The bar I sent him was 2.51 troy ounces. So I hope you're happy with it. Value hunter, I am happy with what I got. I got a little bit of stuff, and I probably, just because this is dated, I probably won't melt it. So now I have more silver I won't melt. But that's alright. There's nothing wrong with having a little extra silver laying around. So we ended up with about $1 face there, 50 cents face there, constitutional. I believe this contains 1 troy ounce of pure silver. That's why it's overweighted. And then we got our Christmas bar, 1992. So I am pleased. I hope you are pleased. I hope you enjoy your bar. Can't wait to see it with the rest of your community collection, and we'll get back at you guys in the next video.